In this video, I'll go over what Builderall is, how it works, and whether it's actually worth your time and money as an all-in-one business platform. I'm Eric Hunsker, and if you're tired of juggling 5 different tools just to run your online business, then Builderall promises to simplify everything, from website building to email marketing, course hosting, and more. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's take a look. What is Builderall? Builderall is a digital marketing platform that's been around since 2017. It was created by Eric Salgado with one goal: to give online business owners all the tools they need in one place. Instead of buying and managing separate services for your website, email, funnels, webinars, and more, Builderall rolls it all together. It's aimed mostly at entrepreneurs, freelancers, coaches, course creators, basically anyone who wants to build, run, and grow a business online without needing to be a tech wizard. Now, over the years, Builderall has gone through multiple versions. The current one, Builderall 5.0, feels a lot more polished with a big focus on user customization and tool improvements, but it still has its quirks. First impressions, the dashboard. When you first log into Builderall, you land in what they call the Office dashboard. This is basically your control panel. The cool thing is you can now pick and choose which apps you want to display here. So instead of staring at a crowded menu full of tools you'll never touch, you get to focus on what actually matters to you. The layout has improved a lot compared to older versions, but it's still a bit of a learning curve at first. Everything is neatly labeled, and most tools come with tutorial videos built right in, which is helpful, especially if you're not super tech savvy. That said, if you're expecting a super sleek interface like you'd see with something like Webflow or Kajabi, then this probably won't blow you away. But for functionality, there's a lot here. The website and funnel builders. Builderall gives you a few different tools for building pages, but the main one is the Cheetah website builder. It's a drag and drop editor that works kind of like a sandbox. You can drop elements wherever you want, resize them, tweak them. It's very flexible. So if you're the kind of person who loves to obsess over pixel perfect designs, you'll probably appreciate that freedom. But if you prefer a tool that keeps everything neatly aligned with guidelines or snap to grid features, then you might find this a little frustrating. It's easy to end up with things slightly out of line unless you're careful. The good news is that Builderall has hundreds of templates to get you started. Everything from landing pages to sales funnels to full websites. You can use these as is or customize them as much as you want. There's also a tool called Canvas Funnel Builder, which is actually one of Builderall's standout features. Instead of creating each page one at a time, you map out your whole funnel visually, kind of like sketching it on a whiteboard. And Builderall will build all the pages for you based on that layout. It's really helpful if you're new to funnels or you just want to plan things out more clearly before diving into the design. MailingBoss, email marketing. Builderall includes its own email marketing tool called MailingBoss. This is where you can build your email list, send newsletters, set up automations, and even tag your subscribers based on their actions. To be honest, MailingBoss isn't the best email platform out there. If you've used ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, or even MailerLite, you might notice that it feels a little clunky in comparison. The interface is simple, which is good, but it also lacks some of the polish and intuitive workflows that you might be used to. Webinars, chatbots, and more. Another major perk of Builderall is how many extras are packed in. You've got tools for creating webinars, both live and pre-recorded, building Facebook Messenger chatbots, and even designing your own mobile app. The webinar tool is surprisingly solid. You can stream live, run scheduled replays, or embed your content into landing pages. It's no Webinar Jam or Zoom, but for something that's included in your monthly plan, it's more than usable. The chatbot builder is great if you want to automate replies on Facebook or guide people through a mini funnel right inside Messenger. You can create multi-step flows that feel conversational with buttons, images, and delayed responses to mimic real conversation. These tools aren't just flashy add-ons. If you actually use them, especially for list building or audience engagement, they can be pretty valuable. Design tools and templates. Builderall includes a mockup studio, a design editor, and even a tool for creating 3D images and animated videos. Now, these won't replace Photoshop or After Effects, but they're nice to have if you're making simple graphics for your site or social media. There's also a heat map tool called ClickMap, which shows where users are clicking on your site. It's not as detailed as something like Hotjar, but it's a helpful way to get a basic sense of what's working and what's not. Templates are another strong point. With over 400 pre-designed options across industries, from fitness to coaching to e-commerce, you're not starting from a blank slate. You can easily swap out the content, colors, and layout to match your brand. Performance and speed. Now let's talk page speed. Builderall has definitely improved in the this area over the years, but it's still not the fastest kid on the block. Pages can feel a little sluggish to load compared to something built on Webflow or a streamlined WordPress site. That said, Builderall does handle its own hosting, and it comes with built-in CDN support, daily backups, and SSL certificates. All good stuff that keeps your site secure and up and running. SEO and Analytics. Builderall includes basic SEO tools like meta titles, descriptions, alt text for images, and sitemaps. You can also connect your site to Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel without too much hassle. One feature we really like is the SEO report generator, which gives you tips for improving your content based on a keyword. It's not quite on the level of something like Surfer SEO or ClearScope, but it's a nice extra for beginners. Pricing. Is it worth it? So Builderall's pricing is honestly one of its biggest selling points. Plans start at just $17 and go all the way up to $247. For that price, you're getting unlimited email marketing, website and funnel builders, webinars, membership site tools, chatbots, app creation tools, CRM features, and a lot more. When you compare that to the combined cost of separate tools, say $99 per month for ClickFunnels, $49 per month for ConvertKit, plus another $20 for a webinar software, Builderall starts to look like a steal, especially for new businesses or side hustlers trying to stay lean. So taking a deeper look here at the pricing, they've got 4 different plans to choose from. They've got the core plan at $17 per month, the essential plan at $47 per month, the advanced plan at $97 per month, and the premium plan at $247 per month. Now with this basic plan, you're going to get just about everything except for the email marketing, team access, and super checkout. Moving up to the essentials, you're going to get everything in there, but the only thing you don't get is team access. Now, the advanced plan is their most popular, and $97 might seem like a lot, but again, when you think about everything that goes into it that you're getting, and then you compare that to going and getting those individually, you're definitely saving money. Now, if you want to go ahead and get started with Builderall, we'll have a link for you down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. Just click on Get Started Today, and you're off to the races. So, should you use Builderall? If you're brand new to online business, working with a limited budget, and you don't want to piece together a bunch of different tools, Builderall is a solid place to start. It gives you everything you need to get up and running. But if you've already got a system in place, or if you care a lot about having the absolute best experience for every individual tool, you might find Builderall a little rough around the edges. In the end, it comes down to priorities. Do you want an all-in-one solution that saves you money and simplifies your stack? Or do you want the best in-class tools that each do one thing extremely well? Builderall isn't perfect, but for what you pay, you're getting a ton of value. And if you're willing to put in a little time to learn the platform, it can really be a powerful launchpad for your online business. But that's a wrap on this Builderall review. If you're curious, you can try it out for free and see if it's a good option for you. And if you want to get started with Builderall, we'll have a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on My First Website, we make videos on different website builders, talk about domain names, different hosting plans, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.